Hi, I'm Evelyn, and today I'm going to go over how to create the Scribble effect using Final Cut Pro. You've probably seen other tutorials out there where you have to take a screenshot of what you're working on and use Photoshop or another application to add your drawing, but I found an easier way that saves you a lot of time. It's a plugin from Pixel Film Studios that I use, and it's pretty simple to use. Once you install the plugin, it'll be saved where your titles are under generators. And you can see that they have 3 different resolutions for the effect, and for this video I'm going to use 1080p. You can see the different tools that the effect has, which is the brush color, brush size, opacity, feather, fall off, and then they also have frame by frame, which is where you draw something in each frame. So each frame is like a clean slate, a clean canvas, so you keep drawing something new. And they also have a subsequent frame, which is you draw something, and then once you go to the next frame to draw something else, you just keep on adding to what you've already drawn before. So I haven't done that one, but I'm going to try it later in this video. For the frame by frame, I'm going to be using the blue color, and I'm going to be drawing around the cloud gate. I'm just going to do a quick drawing just for the sake of the video so you guys can see how it looks. I realized I should have added a brighter color on this since you could barely see, but you can see what the effect does. It's pretty easy to use. Now I'm going to try the subsequent frame, which I haven't done before, but I'm going to try and see if I can do like this paint dripping effect on the cloud gate. So I'm going to choose red this time just so it could stand out. You can see how this effect works using the subsequent frame option, and I'm liking it. I know there's a mistake in there. I accidentally skipped that frame, so I didn't see it when I was working on it. But you know, I learned from my mistakes. I know to go over it next time. I'm gonna see if I can work on something later today with a dripping effect, make it better, and post it later on Instagram. So yeah, that's basically how you use both effects, the frame by frame and subsequent frame. Hopefully you guys get to use this in your future projects, and yeah, thanks for watching.